Poland may decide to put on stricter restrictions due to the coronavirus pandemic. Poland's health minister confirmed that each and every day Poland is reporting large number of COVID-19 cases, and the number of people being hospitalized on a daily basis is increasing day by day. Partial lockdown has been imposed in many parts of Poland, but with each and every day, as the number of cases rise, there might be a requirement to put on new set of restrictions. Poland's officials have decided that if the number of cases keep on rising, they may decide to shut down malls, close down schools and colleges and most of the offices so that they could put a proper lockdown in most of the cities of Poland to contain the infection. However, as of now, stricter rules have not been put, and health officials reveal that in the coming days this might become very important so that the number of cases do not rise furthermore. The number of deaths reported in Poland is the highest that any country has reported so far, not only on a daily basis but also on a monthly basis. Poland's medical officers are doing their needful. However, as the number of unvaccinated people are high in Poland, most of them who are being infected are the ones that have not vaccinated themselves. So, people, please vaccinate yourself and stay safe. So, for the time being, stay safe and tune into my channel for more updates. And also let me know in your comments what else you would like to see, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Bye for now.